That's right, Harishri. This statement which comes up after all this furor that has been created over this incident, the airline still unapologetic about the entire incident, continuing to stand its ground, saying that there is no exception as far as their frisking is concerned. Now, this perhaps only likely to get the airline into further trouble because, as you know, since the morning, whether it's the Civil Aviation Ministry, the BCAS, everybody has been very active on this particular case because this concerns the a very high-profile leader like the former President Abdul Kalam. And of course, but we've been waiting for this particular statement. And one thought that after all this time and after all this public outrage, even political outrage, one would have heard an apology from the airlines. But clearly, Harishri, the statement which has just come out from the airlines, the airlines once again only reiterating what it had said in the morning, that there is no exception as far as their security checks are concerned. But of course, like we've been telling you, there is an inquiry into this incident, and is this particular statement and the kind of stand, the stubborn stand that the airline is taking at this point of time, will it take it into further trouble? That remains to be seen. Harishri.
All right, Shikha, thanks for that. We'll take a break. With that, it's a wrap of this edition of News.